Here's how to fix a suspended Instagram account. Now, if you're on Instagram and you got a suspension or you pop up with a notice that says they've suspended your account, I'm going to show you how to fix it. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. Really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, the first we can do is head into Instagram. And when you go into Instagram, you might see a message that looks like this. It says, "We suspended your account." What does this mean? It might be because you violated the community guidelines, or at least Instagram thinks you did. Maybe because you mass followed or unfollowed or mass liked or commented or did anything else that Instagram didn't necessarily like. Now, the first thing you can do is hit the disagree with decision. You can see at the very bottom there is the option to disagree with the decision. Essentially, this will take you to an appeal form where you can fill out your appeal on why your account should not have been suspended. If you're in Instagram and it allows you, you're going to tap on your profile button at the bottom right, and I'll show you how to get to it. Let's tap on the three lines at the very top right. Now from here, we'll just scroll down to the very bottom and you can see account status here. So tap on that and you can see if there are any suspensions or violations for removed content or basically features you can't use or any violations. Basically, it'll show up here. And you can see it says, see any actions that might be taken. If you tap on one and it says there are some issues on here, you'll be able to go through the appeal process of appealing that specific suspension. Now, keep in mind, you want to fill out as much information as possible on why that shouldn't have caused you to be suspended and why maybe, you are who you say you are, or you're not a bot, or your account isn't hacked or anything like that. Now, let's say if you can't necessarily do that, you can always try to appeal the suspension directly on the Instagram help page. So just go to a web page and go to help.instagram.com. Now, it says here, if your account was disabled, you'll see a message if you violated the community standards. But there could be other issues, like someone hacked into your account and deleted it, or other issues. So you can tap on if your account was deleted or there are other issues. You can see going down the process, and then it says we can't undelete your account if it's been over a certain number of days. So you want to make sure you do this as quick as possible. Now, go through this process and try to identify what the issue is specifically with your account. And now, if any of these basically aren't helpful, you can just keep going through and hitting the search button. And then you can type in stuff like hacked account and hit return. And you can go to hacked account if your account was hacked. And it says, if you're unable to log in, you can visit this page. And it'll pop up with, hey, my account was hacked, or my account was disabled here, and I can hit next. And then you can enter in your username, your phone number, email address to confirm it's you, and then essentially go through the process of appealing that and trying to get your account back after being suspended. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.